हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, जी पैट रिविजन क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज का जो एमसीक्यू है वो इंडोक्राइन फार्माकोलॉजी से है, तो और ये पार्ट 1 है। ओके, चलिए देखते हैं। पार्ट 1 में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर, करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग टेस्टोस्टेरोन इंक्लूड ऑल एक्सेप्ट ए, it is converted by 5 alpha reductase to active dihydrotestosterone. B, it is inactivated in liver. C, it causes gynecomastia and cholestatic hepatitis. D, it increases the excretion of water and sodium. Which one answer? The answer is D. It increases the excretion of water and sodium. Okay. Next is second question number. Which of the following steroid is not a mineralocorticoid? A, hydrocortisone. B, dexo desoxycorticosterone. C, spironolactone. D, fludrocortisone. Which one answer? The answer is C, spironolactone. स्पायरोनलैक्टोन क्या होता है? ये एक ड्रग है जिसको हम ट्रीट करते हैं, और ये हाई ब्लड प्रेशर को ट्रीट करता है, और हार्ट फेलियर है अगर तो उसको भी ट्रीट करता है, और लोअरिंग हाई ब्लड प्रेशर जो अगर आपका बॉडी में, तो उसको भी ट्रीट करता है, प्रिवेंट करता है स्ट्रोक, हार्ट अटैक को और किडनी प्रॉब्लम्स को। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं थर्ड नंबर क्वेश्चन। विच ऑफ द थायराइड प्रिपरेशन इज प्रीफर्ड फॉर द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ रिप्लेसमेंट थेरेपी? ए, थायरोट्रोपिन. बी, थायरोग्लोबिन. C, liothyronine sodium. And D, iodine. Which one answer? The answer is C, liothyronine sodium. liothyronine sodium का यूज़ क्या है? ये ट्रीटमेंट करता है हाइपोथायरॉयडिज्म, a condition wherein in the thyroid gland does not produce enough thyroid hormone. It is used to help decrease the size of enlarged thyroid gland, जिसको कि ग्वाटर भी बोलते हैं, एंड ट्रीट थायराइड कैंसर, ये थायराइड कैंसर को भी ट्रीट करता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज फोर्थ क्वेश्चन नंबर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंसुलिन प्रिपरेशन हैज़ the longest duration of action? A, Semilent. B, Isofen. C, Lent. And D, Protamine Zinc. Which one answer? The answer is D, Protamine Zinc. Protamine Zinc क्या है? Protamine Zinc इंसुलिन है, इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म PZI is a long-acting insulin that is used in treatment of diabetes. डायबिटीज़ में हम इसको ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं। ए रिलेटिवली कॉमन डिजीज सीन इन मिडिल एज्ड कैट्स एंड डॉग्स, इसको भी हम करते हैं। ओके, यूज़ करके और इसको भी ठीक करते हैं। नेक्स्ट 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर। All of the following drugs bind to a specific receptor in the cytoplasm of sensitive cell except A, cortisol. B, dexamethasone. C, ACTH. And D, triamcinolone. Which one answer? The answer is C, ACTH. ACTH that means adrenocorticotropic hormone. शॉर्ट फॉर्म अगर इसका देखें तो ACTH इज अ हार्मोन। ये क्या है? ये हार्मोन है, प्रोड्यूस इन एंटेरियर और फ्रंट पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इन द ब्रेन। हमारे कहाँ पे? ब्रेन में। इसका जो फंक्शंस है, द फंक्शंस ऑफ ACTH is to regulate levels of the steroid hormone cortisol which released from the adrenal gland. ACTH is also known as adrenocorticotropic hormone. Okay, that is called adrenocorticotropic hormone. Okay, next is sixth question number. The use of oral contraceptive by premenopausal women was associated with A. Vaginal adenosis, B. Precocious puberty, and C. Endometrial sarcoma, and D. Hirsutism. Which one answer? The answer is C. Endometrial sarcoma. Endometrial sarcoma क्या होता है? Endometrial cancer, also called as endometrial sarcoma, okay, starts in the cell of the inner lining of the uterus, that is called endometrial sarcoma. Okay, inner layer में इसका वो भी कहाँ पे, यूटेरस में होता है कैंसर, उसी को क्या बोलते हैं, हम सार्कोनिमा बोलते हैं, इंडोमेट्रियल सार्कोनिमा बोलते हैं. ओके, और उसी का एक और नेम है एंडोमेट्रियल कैंसर. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 7 क्वेश्चन नंबर. प्रिंसिपल सोर्स ऑफ एस्ट्रोजन इन पोस्ट मेनोपॉजल वोमेन इज A. placenta, B. ovary, C. adipose tissue, and D. adrenal gland. Which one answer? The answer is C. adipose tissue. adipose tissue क्या होता है? Is a specialized connective tissue. ये एक क्या है? connective tissue है consisting of lipid rich cells called adipocytes, as it comprises about 20 to 25% of total body weight in healthy individual. The main functions of adipose tissue is to store energy in the form of lipid. इसको फैट भी बोलते हैं. That is called adipose tissue. Okay. Next is 8 question number. Glucocorticoids can blank A. evaluate the plasma concentration of glucagon, B. produce deposition of glycogen in the liver, C. produce peculiar alteration in fat distribution, and D. all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is D. all of the above. A, B, C. Okay, तीनों होगा. Next is 9 question number. Which of the following agents can be used diagnostically to distinguish between the pseudo hypoparathyroidism and hypoparathyroidism? A. calcitrol, B. calcitonin, and C. PTH and TNF. Which one answer? The answer is C. PTH. PTH क्या होता है? पाराथायरॉयड हार्मोन. ये एक हार्मोन है, also called as पाराथायरमोन और पाराथायरिन. इसको पैराथॉर्मोन भी बोलते हैं और पैराथायरिन भी बोलते हैं. इज अ हार्मोन. ये एक हार्मोन सिक्रेटेड है बाय पैराथायरॉयड ग्लैंड से, that regulate the serum's calcium concentration through the it effects on bone, kidney, and intestine. That is called parathyroid hormone, PTH. Short form is PTH. Okay. Next is 10 question number. Correct statement regarding the thyroid stimulating hormone includes A. stimulate the thyroid adrenal cyclase, B. enhance the production of acylglycerol, C. induce a rise in cytosolic calcium, and D. all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is D. all of the above. Okay. Next 11 question number. All of the following organs concentrate iodide except A. mammary gland, B. placenta, C. uterus, and D. skin. Which one answer? The answer is uterus, यानी कि सी. यूटेरस क्या होता है? द यूटेरस इज अ हॉलो मस्कुलर ऑर्गन लोकेटेड इन अ फीमेल पेल्विस बिटवीन द ब्लैडर एंड रेक्टम. ओके. The ovary produce the eggs that travel through the fallopian tubes. Once the egg has left the ovary, it can be fertilized and implants itself in the lining of the uterus, that is called uterus. Okay. Next is 12 question number. A subunit of gonadotropins commonly contains a serum linked carbohydrate moiety, B glycan linked polysaccharide chain, and D C asparagine linked oligosaccharide chain, and D none of above. Which one answer? The answer is C aspirin linked oligosaccharide चैन. ये एक प्रकार का शुगर है. द एस्पिरिन लिंक ओलिगोसेक्राइड रिप्रेजेंट ओनली वन क्लास ऑफ शुगर चैन का थॉट टू बियर सैलिक एसिड और सल्फेटेड ओलिगोसेक्राइड्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 13 क्वेश्चन नंबर. ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मे इन्हेंस द एक्शन ऑफ sulfonyl ureas except A clofibrate, B salicylic and C ethanol, and D prednisolone. Which one answer? The answer is D prednisolone. Prednisolone क्या होता है? Is a man-made form of an natural substance. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Corticosteroid hormone made by the adrenal gland. It is used to treat conditions such as arthritis. अगर है तो इसको प्रेडिसोल जो है यूज़ करके हम ट्रीट कर सकते हैं किसको? एरेथ्रेसिस को. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 14 क्वेश्चन नंबर. साइनोसिस एंड पोटेंशियल साइनाइड poison are possible with A nitroglycerin, B nitropyroxide, C nitrofurantoin, and D nitrous oxide. Which one answer? The answer is B nitropyroxide. Nitropyroxide क्या होता है? Is a prescription medication used to treat high blood pressure, जिसको कि हम बोलते हैं हाइपरटेंशन, एंड कंजक्टिव हार्ट फेल्यूर अगर है तो इसको हम ट्रीट करके और इसको हम यूज करके और ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. नाइट्रोपेरोक्साइड बिलोंग्स टू ग्रुप ड्रग कॉल्ड एंटी हाइपरटेंसिव. ये किस ग्रुप में आता है? एंटी हाइपरटेंसिव में. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 15 क्वेश्चन नंबर. इन इंसुलिन डिपेंडेंट डायबिटिक पेशेंट टू कंट्रोल सीवियर ketoacidosis, which of the following anti-diabetic agent is used? A tolbutamide, B protamine gene insulin, and C isofen, and D crystalline zinc insulin. Which one answer? The answer is D crystalline zinc insulin. Okay. Next is 16 question number. Bromocriptine is used to treat amenorrhea because A it stimulates the ovary, B it stimulates the GRH release, and C it suppresses the prolactin release, and D it stimulates FSH release. Which one answer? The answer is C it suppresses the prolactin release. Okay. Next is 17 question number. Most serious adverse effect of anti-thyroid drug thiouracil is A drug fever, B agranulocytosis, and C alopecia, and D nephritis. Which one answer? The answer is B agranulocytosis. अब एग्रेनुलोसाइटोसिस क्या होता है? इज नोन एज एग्रेनुलोसिस और ग्रैनुलोपेनिया is a acute condition involving the severe dangerous leukopenia lower white blood cell. ये क्या है? ल्यूकोपेनिया, डेंजरस ल्यूकोपेनिया कहते हैं. मोस्ट कॉमनली ऑफ न्यूट्रोफिल्स एंड दस काउजिंग अ न्यूट्रोपेनिया in the circulating blood. Okay. Next is 18 question number. The mechanism of action of sulfonyl urea is that they A. decrease degradation of glucose, B. lower the blood glucose concentration by producing insulin like effect, C. stimulate the release of insulin from B cells of pancreas, and D. increase glucose utilization in the periphery. Which one answer? The answer is C. stimulate the release of insulin from B cells of pancreas. Okay, next is 19 question number. Mini pills containing only progesterone was introduced because A. it is a more effective human combinal pill, B. progesterone alone causes more regular menstrual cycle, C. progesterone alone less likely cause cerebral and coronary thrombosis, D. all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is C. progesterone alone less likely cause cerebral and coronary thrombosis. Okay, next is 20 question number. The action of chlorpropamide is that it A. increase glycogenolysis, B. increase peripheral utilization of glucose, C. increase insulin secretion, and D. all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is C. increase insulin secretions. Okay, next is 21 question number. Hormone that increase cyclic AMP in the larger organ include all except A. prolactin, B. FSH, C. LH, and D. vasopressin. Which one answer? The answer is A. prolactin. Prolactin क्या होता है? Is a hormone produced by your pituitary gland which sites at the bottom of the brain. Prolactin causes breast to grow and develop and cause milk to be made after a baby in born. Okay, next is 22 question number. The use of estrogen antagonist clomiphene can be lead to A. ovarian hyperstimulation, B. multiple pregnancy, C. both, and D. none. Which one answer? The answer is C. both. Ovarian hyperstimulation and multi pregnancy. Ovarian hyperstimulation क्या होता है? Syndrome है, is an exaggerated response to excess hormone. It usually occurs in women taking injectable hormone medication to stimulate the development of egg in the ovaries. And multi pregnancy क्या होता है? Is a pregnant with twins, tripled or more. उसको that is called multiple pregnancy. Okay, next is 23 question number. Undesirable effects of oral contraceptive includes all except hypertension, B. cerebral thrombosis, C. dysmenorrhea, and D. breast sarcoma. Which one answer? The answer is C. dysmenorrhea. Dysmenorrhea क्या होता है? Is a term used to describe painful period pain form. Your first period is shortly after and without a specific cause is known as primary dysmenorrhea. That is called primary dysmenorrhea. Dysmenorrhea. Okay, next is 24 question number. Tolbutamide is a contraindicated in A. IDDM, that means insulin dependent diabetic mellitus, and B. pregnancy, and C. renal efficiency, and D. all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is all of the above. यानी कि IDM, pregnancy, and renal insufficiency. Okay, next is 25 question number. Which of the following may be induced by long term use of corticoids? A. psychosis, B. subcapsular cataracts, C. osteoporosis, and D. all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is C. osteoporosis. Osteoporosis क्या होता है? Is a bone disease. ये क्या है? एक बोन डिजीज है. दैट अकर्स कहाँ से उत्पन्न होता है? बॉडी लॉस से. टू मच bone, make to little bone, or both. As a result, both become weak and may break from the fall, or serious case from sneezing or minor bump, that is called osteoporosis. Okay, next is, thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe my channel and share all pharmacy students. ओके, चलिए तब तक के लिए बाय.